What do you got?
Couple of budgies.
Did you help Daddy pick them out?
Yeah. Hi.
He picked two of the same and I changed it on him.
She's coming.
Oh, she's there. You have two yellow ones. Hi.
One's black and yellow and one's completely yellow.
You get to name one.
Which one would you like?
I don't know.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day or 2 days after, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. But it is now Saturday and we are just about to head out and do our grocery shopping. So yeah, I might check in with you guys a bit later.
No. See, what happened to my foot?
Is that as close as you're gonna get?
Did you touch the birdie?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Come here forward. I want you to love me.
I want you to love me.
Come here. Did you put him back in?
No.
What, you want to hold it?
Woo!
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Give me kisses. It likes you.
Are you scared?
No. Not anymore.
You being a scaredy cat?
I'm not.
See.
That's because he's a nice one.
Tummy's staunch. I mean, yeah, staunch.
Forward, come here. I'm gonna go say hi to her now. Sit down.
Oh, I gave you kisses.
Yeah, it's not gonna hurt you.
Not watching your iPad yet.
Not yet. Not till Jaxon goes to bed.
Hey.
See? They're not scary, are they? Yeah. She's got a birdie on her.
Abba. Yeah, buddy. It's day. It's day. Hi. Hi.
So I was walking and I seen plovers. So like all the way over there. So now I'm walking back the opposite way. So I'm doing the same track that I just did. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I ain't getting attacked by no plovers right now. Jax, what are you doing? Are you sleeping? Do you want me to leave you alone? Are you sleeping next to the birds?
No.
Well, you are.
No.
You do that. You free on over here. You're trouble. But Ford, you're my baby. My kisses. Yeah, it's my baby. You's free. But then,
Get in my way.
Go.
I done great. One more time. Mom,
What was that?
Mommy.
Go.
Okay, I'm just gonna do a lot to practice.
Okay.
Mom, I am gonna help Dad make the food on the barbecue. That wasn't even good. Did I do it right?
Kind of.
My angle hurt. Mom!
Go.
Jack, I'll show you. Bye-bye.
Editing Stacey here to end off this vlog. I know I suck. I keep forgetting to end vlogs. So I thought I'll just jump on here quickly and then add this clip to the video. Also, I just wanted to say I'm so sorry. This video is very mumble jumbled. It was across like 3 or 4 days. And one of the days I was really sick, so I didn't end up filming. So that's why it was like across quite a few days. But thank you all for watching if you've got this far. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. And thank you all. I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye for now.